Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport featuring Crystal White Tricoat with a Kona brown interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, Bose speakers, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below, and our main front speaker. Taking a look at the seats down to the bottom left, we have our power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. So to the left, you'll find the power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here is our cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. On the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Checking out the infotainment screen here, just starting off with the audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. You can also take a look at the map and navigation. And we can throw it in reverse. Check out the backup camera. It's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Just below that, we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger, some storage, 2 cup holders, infotainment screen controls, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Storage up top as well as down below. Up top here, we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, the universal garage opener, and power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. Back here we have some Cadillac badging, as well as the XT5 and all-wheel drive. You can go ahead and open it up by just double clicking on the key fob. It's gonna pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. You can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space, not to mention the hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire jack, rear cargo net, and some extra space along the sides. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split. And we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear climate control. Just below that, 2 vents, some storage, and down at the bottom, 2 USBs. Up at the top, we have handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.